Right, here we come to the elevator at Greer Hall at Appalachian State University, Boone, North Carolina. This elevator cab looks exactly like the one at Catherine Hall. Oh, this is an A.S.K elevator. Cool. The fan is too loud so we can't hear the motor. Whoa! The elevator's low on oil. I'll let you hear that again. Anyway, this is going to be the last elevator here for the day that I'm filming because there's not many vintage elevators here on this entire campus. Got the old bumper. Your fixtures. We'll get a good look at that logo. Oh, it didn't do it. All right, we're gonna go back down one and there. All right, here we're at one. This is an interesting elevator. There it goes. And that's it.